All right, let's look at chapter 1, the test, the second version of the test, number 2. So in this one, we got measurement of angle 1 is 2x plus 5, so I'm just going to label that right away. 2x plus 5. And angle 2 is 5x minus 13. And angle 3 we don't know. They tell you xc bisects bxd. So, let me get another color. Here's xc. Remember, bisect means to cut something right in half. So that guy cuts this angle. Now, really, what I'm going to do is, it says bxd. I'm going to start at b. If you look at it, well, I just traced out the angle that's bisected. So that angle is cut right in half by the red line. So in fact, you can immediately say that angle 1 here and angle 2 here have to be the same, right? Because of the bisector. AXD, the big angle here from A to X to D, right? That's 90 degrees. So I'm going to put a big 90 right here. Okay. Find x. Well, the only thing I know is that, or the only useful thing I know right now, is that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal to each other because of that bisector. What I noticed on the test was a lot of people got stuck here. But what you could do, I mean, you know that they're the same, so you might as well say they're the same using math, right? That's the same as this. Well, in math, that equals being same, right? So, okay, let's simplify this. If I add 13 to both sides, I get 5x equals 2x plus 18. And then if I subtract the 2x to this side, I get 3x equals 18 and x equals 6. So there we go. X is 6. Pretty quick. Let me shrink that down to make more room. There we go. Okay. Well, let's get angle 1 now. Well, if I know x is 6, and I know angle 1 is 2x plus 5, I can just plug that in. I can use substitution. So measurement of angle 1 equals 2x plus 5, and I know x is 6, so I'm going to plug in the 6. And I get 12 plus 5, which is 17. So this one is 17 degrees. So equals 17 degrees. Remember, we said this one should be equal to angle 1. Angle 2 and angle 1 should be the same, so we better get 17 for the angle 2 as well. And if you check it, well, we know that's 5x minus 13, and we know x is 6 now, so I'm going to plug in 5 times 6 minus 13. That's 30 minus 13, which is 17, so that looks good. Makes me think we're on the right track. Okay, now we got to do AXC. So let me fill in the 17 here. Okay. So I'm going to erase the yellow angles here and erase this stuff for right now. In fact, let me get rid of all this and just put the 17s there, because we might as well just use the easy stuff. 17, 17. Okay. Well, AXC, let's highlight that one. A to X over to C. So it's this angle here. Okay, well, that's really the 17 plus whatever's missing, right? Well, I know that angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 all put together have to add up to 90 because the whole thing's a right angle. So let's do 17 plus whatever angle 3 is equals 90. So that's 34 plus angle 3 equals 90. And if I subtract out the 34, I'm going to get 56. So now I know angle 3 here is 56 degrees. And remember, I want the yellow angle. So all of this. So all I got to do now is add 17 to it. 56 plus 17 equals the measurement of AXD. And just as a refresher, remember when I add two angles that are next to each other to get the big angle, this is true because of the angle addition postulate. That says just add the two angles right next to each other, get the big one. So this comes out to be 73 degrees. All right, watch it again if you need help with it.